Imagine a creature as big as a small car, gliding effortlessly through the water. This is the West Indian manatee, a large marine mammal that calls the warm waters of the Americas its home. Often called sea cows, these gentle giants are herbivores, spending their days grazing on seagrass and other aquatic plants. They are a crucial part of their ecosystem, helping to maintain the health of seagrass beds. Sadly, these peaceful creatures are facing growing threats, making it more important than ever to understand and protect them. Manatees are fascinating creatures, captivating us with their slow movements and calm demeanor. In this exploration, we'll delve into the world of the West Indian manatee, discovering their unique characteristics, the challenges they face, and the hope that remains for their future. Join us as we journey into the watery realm of these gentle giants, uncovering the secrets of their lives and the importance of their conservation. West Indian manatees are truly unique creatures, built for a life spent in warm, shallow waters. Their bodies, massive and torpedo-shaped, can reach lengths of up to 13 feet and weigh over 3,000 pounds. Their skin, thick and wrinkled, feels leathery to the touch and is often covered in algae, giving them a slightly greenish appearance. Unlike dolphins and whales, manatees have paddle-like flippers, used for steering and slow movement through the water. Their tails, broad and powerful, propel them through the water with a gentle grace. Despite their size, manatees are surprisingly agile, using their flippers to maneuver around obstacles and even rise to the surface for air. Their small eyes, located on the sides of their head, provide limited vision, but their hearing is acute, allowing them to navigate their watery world with ease. West Indian manatees are found in the warm coastal waters of the Americas, ranging from the southeastern United States throughout the Caribbean and down to the northeastern coast of South America. They are creatures of habit, preferring to stay within relatively shallow, sheltered areas where food is abundant. Seagrass meadows, estuaries, and slow-moving rivers are all important habitats for these gentle giants. These areas provide the perfect combination of warmth, food, and protection from predators. During the colder months, manatees will often congregate in warmer waters, seeking refuge from the cold. Florida, with its numerous natural springs and power plant discharge canals, becomes a vital wintering ground for many manatees. However, this reliance on warm water refuges makes them particularly vulnerable to habitat loss and human disturbance. Section 4. Grazers of the seagrass meadows. West Indian manatees are herbivores, their diet consisting primarily of seagrass and other aquatic plants. They are voracious eaters, spending up to 8 hours a day grazing on underwater vegetation. An adult manatee can consume up to 10% of its body weight in vegetation per day, playing a crucial role in maintaining the health of seagrass ecosystems. Their prehensile upper lips, covered in sensitive bristles, are perfectly adapted for grasping and manipulating vegetation. They use their flippers to dig up roots and rhizomes, creating feeding trails that are visible from the surface. This constant grazing helps to control the growth of seagrass, preventing it from becoming overgrown and promoting biodiversity within the ecosystem. Section 5. Living life slowly. Manatees are known for their slow, deliberate movements, a reflection of their relaxed metabolism and herbivorous diet. They are not built for speed, typically cruising at a leisurely pace of 3 to 5 miles per hour. However, they can reach bursts of speed up to 20 miles per hour for short distances. These gentle giants are also incredibly social animals, often found in groups of up to a dozen individuals. They communicate with each other through a series of chirps, whistles, and squeaks, maintaining contact while grazing and resting. Manatees are not territorial and will often share their feeding grounds with other manatees and even other species. Section 6. Dangers in paradise. Despite their size and seemingly idyllic lifestyle, West Indian manatees face a growing number of threats, many of them directly related to human activities. One of the most significant dangers is boat collisions. Manatees are slow-moving and often surface for air in shallow waters, making them particularly vulnerable to being struck by boats. These collisions can result in severe injuries, including deep cuts, broken bones, and even death. Habitat loss is another major concern. As coastal areas continue to be developed, seagrass beds are being destroyed or degraded, depriving manatees of their primary food source. Pollution from agricultural runoff, sewage, and industrial waste further contaminates their habitat, making it difficult for them to thrive. Section 7. Hope for the future. The plight of the West Indian manatee highlights the delicate balance between human activity and the natural world. However, there is hope for these gentle giants. Conservation efforts are underway to protect manatees and their habitats, and everyone can play a role in their survival. Stricter boating speed limits in manatee zones, along with increased public awareness campaigns, are helping to reduce the number of boat collisions. Efforts to restore and protect seagrass beds are crucial for ensuring that manatees have enough to eat. By supporting organizations dedicated to manatee conservation, reducing our own environmental footprint, and advocating for responsible coastal development, we can all contribute to a brighter future for these gentle giants of the sea.